Alright, in this video we are going to see how to create this Photoshop banner using Photoshop. So this is the social media banner. I just want to make a correction on what I said. This is the social media banner which we are going to create with Photoshop. Fine. Now to follow along, I leave all the required images in the description, and also the font which we are using here is Montserrat. I'll leave the link in the description. Just download it and install it. This is the font. Fine. Now let's create the new document first. Control N, and the width and height is going to be 1080. And once this is done, what we need to do is let's just fix this place properly. Now let's make this as a layer. Now we want to fill this on the downloads. I have my layer, make it as a editable layer, double clicking it. Now just place this over, control minus, zoom out, and control T to see the actual size. So it's too big, press shift and alt and drag it inwards, click enter, zoom in, control plus and press V. So now we can place this. Once while selecting this layer, make sure to have in the luminosity, and let's just decrease the opacity. So while decreasing, I'm just going to make this black. Make sure the front color is black. Alt backspace. Let's just increase the opacity a bit. Cool. Zoom in. Now what we need to do is let's create a rectangle. Press U. Make sure rectangle is selected. Just drag a color. Double click on the rectangle and just fill the color. Now once this is done, let's get our image, or you can say this as subject. Press V and just place this over, control T. Make sure to press shift first and then alt, zoom, just drag it in, press enter. Now control J to make the duplicate. Now just select the bottom one and press control T, just pressing T, sorry, you have to press control T. Now click on control and just drag this in this way. Now use the down arrow, click enter. Now we want to fill this as black. Right click, blending option, color overlay, and fill this black. Press V. Now what we need to do is filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Cool, this looks like shadow. Now select these two, control G, control G. Now cool. Now let's type the text. So let's see the text first. We provide creative idea. Cool. Type T. V not visible. Make the color white. We provide. Make this control T and press shift and alt. Enter. Press V. Alt drag. Alt drag. Control T. Now just type T so that we can edit. Creative. I'm just typing the word creative, and you can increase the font size. We'll use transform, control D, shift alt drag, place it at the proper position. This seems to be too big, and that's alright. Press V again, press Alt, type T, and just type idea exclamatory mark, press V. Now select a new layer. Make sure this layer is at the bottom of every text which you have typed right now. Press U and just draw a rectangle, and let's change the color to this guy, and type T again, select the creative and change the color to black. Now this rectangle, make sure to press Ctrl J to get the duplicate, get the copy at the bottom. Now double click this and make this white. Now type Ctrl T and press Ctrl and just drag it a bit on top. The same way, just drag it at the bottom. Press enter. Now you got some good idea, good design. Now what you can do is, let's select all, Ctrl G and then Ctrl T. Now you can again use your imagination. Cool. Press V, use the mouse, up and left arrow to position this. Now new layer, type T, what we have written here, grow your business with us. Grow your business with us. Select all, make the font weight thin. Now Ctrl T, press Shift plus and then Alt, click enter. Now select the individual and make this bold. Cool. Now we have almost completed this. I'm going to leave this to you, the same monster font, and the same way how we have used the creative. We just need to add the channel name. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for listening.